Let him know. Young Ted. That's true. Me, I want to be this guy when I grow up.
Besides ukuthi some emakhoneni sobhema asiyene ekhaya sozamhlanganisa ingoma ukuthi okay sithula ini sihlanganisa ini rather than going to the park niyohlala lapha niyenze group and smoke happy birthday because that thing yabamosha and it kills them. It kills them.
But now I'm looking at these kids and like some of them I'm sure grade 5, grade 6, grade 7.
We had a member who was 4 years old by
Imagine.
I think you know.
No, okay.
Yes, we had Cocomelon who's 4 years old. Like,
where's Cocomelon?
Cocomelon is pending.
Why am I sorry?
There are a lot of issues.
Where did the idea come about? Like, let's host award for Kucho people. Cause it's like
Langzela ukuthi ngizolungisa na ukuthi ngicomforte ama founder wami when we do this ngibe nabo because they need a person ofana nami and I knew ukuthi at the end God was going to put me here because I once told them ukuthi what you have guys is a calling akusinoma ubani onalento eninayo.
Mina ngifuna ukutshela abantu ukuthi bayenze into ebajabulisayo benze into ebayithandayo.
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Infinity, what is your advice to the world?
to the world. Ye kaya una di opportunity tse pa. Yeah. Tani group tse ding. Go ya wa like the way ke bonang ka teng.
I'm gonna tell you, Osalomunyane boy. Mara, I like the fact you're a group in so it's so young. You have so much room to grow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Infinity Channel. Listen, I don't want to lie to you, right? We're going back to this thing whereby it's a Guicho thing again, but this time it's a little remix, you know? It's a little remix. Obviously, I still have my brother on the other side. And today we are in a place of talent, a place where talent really resides from, you know, we are in K1. So we're just trying to, I don't know, what are we trying to do? Are we trying to expose the talent more to the people, or are we like telling people that, yeah, there's talent here and you know it and we just showcasing it? What are we doing?
Say like both, you know.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit of both. So we're trying to get to know the people behind the talent, you know, the teams behind the talent and the talent itself, the reason the talent is here, why the talent exists, where it comes from, you know. Let's just start it from the beginning of and start with the founders of this wonderful group, Ekaya Guicho Healers, you know. So yeah, you guys can start off by just slightly introducing yourselves, maybe. Yeah. Nangis Zulu.
There's no language barrier, it's South Africa.
Oh, by my name, but my group calls me Magriza. I don't know where does that come from, because Magriza, like we know which one.
It's an old version, yeah.
Exactly, you understand? So there's a name that I'm called by Magriza. I don't know which is reality, but it's a name, and I've accepted the name.
Yes.
Is it the kids who call you that?
Yeah,
Yes.
the kids. All the kids, like all the kids call me Magriza.
Yeah.
They understand. I think it's because they feel home.
Yeah.
When they
It's like,
they are home.
Yeah.
They understand. That's why even the name is called Ekaya Guicho Healers. To make them feel comfortable, to make them feel at home, and to bring the situation.
Okay. So this guy, how are you a founder, brother? You're 15. You're 15.
And it's very hard to answer. Yeah. I have to answer, by the way, because how did I become? How so yeah, I'm paid. No, not Munyela.
Oh, Munyela.
Yes. I'm a person who hosts events Saban.
Yeah.
So I was hosting an event which was 2024. So I went through.
You were 13.
Yes.
That's amazing.
I started hosting this event. I think I was 9 years old when I started this since So when it started booming, it was 2023. So 2023, they were not here Ekaya. I did not call Ekaya. 2024 ka e bitsa ekhaya ke re okay ekhaya see you're doing a very great job and ke nako e Khwitsho e sa qala ho phahamanyana here in K1 and because ke bona ba le batho ba fitla ba iphamisa Khwitsho in here in K1 ka tla bua le di-founder ka bua le di-founder da re hai a sena nkinga mara thina on the event will not make it okay. And they came on the event. Kutema bangena, they felt urikiko haimo. They did not even sing. What I called them for, they did not even do it.
Yeah.
So we went. They had an first annual event, which was on the 7th of March, 2025. So they called me to be their director. So I wanna so I bring another initiative. Okay, let's do it. You know, the founder say, when you're a great person, we started working, which was 2025. We worked, we hosted the Khwitsho Awards, we hosted the second annual. And last year I hosted the event Mupedikasi Festival, Zaba Nadi Kala and Ing. That's when I cannot wake up.
So basically, when the talent park you bring to this group, you are the host, you host events.
Yes. Besides Orange, I'm part of the Kaya. I host events.
Yeah, his talent is organizing.
So there's something I
Yeah.
want to know. Who's the first person to say, I'm starting a group, I'm making Ekaya?
Okay, Ekaya has a lot of history.
Yeah.
There's a shop I run, Yogurt, which is Ekaya Food Spot, if you can see the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, mina basically, ngumuntu othanda abantwana. You understand? Back from home, it brings language. I had kids. It started by a dancing group, a drama group, you see, with children and everything. Then I moved from home and I came back this side. So we had our first event of opening the shop of Ekaya Food Spot. So after opening that shop, we started looking for a Khwitsho group to come perform on that event. So we started by that group first, but the way they disrespected and the way they were behaving, we couldn't handle children like that, because I only keep children who don't smoke,
Okay.
who don't drink, who don't do bad things, and who respect at home. So if you can't do the 4 things that I'm asking for, that means you're not my child.
Yeah.
You can't stay at Ekaya not behaving.
So what was the inspiration behind this Ekaya name before the Khwitsho thing?
This Ekaya name comes back from far, like as I say, from home, from the first shop I had. Like Ekaya has been there for a long, long, long journey. Because it started by being a shop, then it started by having dancers, then it started having this group of Khwitsho. And this kid came here and asked, we saw you making an event for the shop. So can you please manage us to sing Khwitsho? We want to sing Khwitsho. They were 9 when they started this group, 9 of them. So it went on and went on. Children started joining, started liking it, started joining and coming until we lost the old Ekaya. Then we stayed almost 2 months not doing anything until the other kids came again, saying, why not try us and see if we're serious or not. Then I say, you're welcome, because I can't say you're not welcome, go stay at the street, because I want to change, like, every situation they go through, because these kids always write me letters, like, of what they go through. These kids have so a lot that they go through. So ngale Khwitsho mina ngibona ngathi like they feel comfortable, bayakhona nokuthi noma basuke endlini inhliziyo zibuhlungu mabafike la ekhaya bafika bathule Khwitsho, umntana uphuma sekajabulile makufike amuzi. You understand? Even the shop I have la ngaphandle, it's not a shop yokuthi i-shop yami or in, bayazi nabo i-shop yami, because when they come and they're hungry, they know ukuthi ayaphuma ama-chips e-shop, abayenzele bayabadla. Mangiphekile ipapa, because nepapa ngiyapheka. Bayafika and I put them on one plate. Babonke bangaka they can share. So we teach them basasebancane ukuthi you must share. We teach them basasebancane ukuthi you must love one another. Akusukuthi uthanda umzali wakho kuphela. But nawuphumile nasendlini wazi ukuthi omunye umuntu umzali.
I love that actually, because like as you said, the name Ekaya, it's like a thing of saying you are welcome. You know, every child is welcome as long as like you have to have responsibilities again. As long as you take care of yourself, take care of the household, you clean, you do this and do this. So Umakriza, and I'm also gonna call you Makriza. Umakriza is saying, Guti, if the children behave, they get 100% of who she is.
Yeah.
And but what I want to understand now is because as a family, we know they are the naughty kids. They're the naughty ones, the ones that are always like, hey, need scolding with, hey, where now, hey, where now. So, who are those people? I want
Yo, baningi, because I fight with them every time.
Yeah.
Because into yokuqala ngihlala ngibatshela ukuthi it's not Guicho first,
Yes.
school first.
Oh,
They
I love that.
know
I
that's
love
the
that.
only thing engibatshela yona ukuthi our slogan at ekhaya, it's school first.
Mm-hmm.
They understand? Because this kid has bamele baye esikoleni bayifunda. Baqede isikolo bazokhona ukuthi baphumelelise imfiso zabo, like bafike la bafuna
Yeah.
ukufika khona. We teach them how to pray. We teach them ukuthi umkhuleko mawukhuleka, God can answer you and God can see ukuthi when you're a child of prayer, usondele phambi koNkulunkulu, God will open ways for you, God will open doors for you, and uNkulunkulu uzoyenza ukuthi izinto zakho zilunge. But mawungalaleli like umntana ophuma endleleni, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukusiphepha like isifiso sakho, whatever la ufuna ukuya khona, because when you're a child ongamameli. So by doing this, ucoca abantwana ukuthi like guys, there's future without streets. Because siyabona manje like i-youth yethu iqeda ama-drugs.
Mm-hmm.
Like iqeda ama-drugs because bayaboreka la bantwana.
Yeah.
You understand? Bayaboreka. Umntwana uphuma esikoleni ayo emakhoneni, omunye afike bamekhoneni bonke bayacabanga okay asithengeni ugwayi ukuthi ibe right. Iqala ngogwayi lento. Manje laba bamanje kunalento engenile bathi encane so. Hey, it's damaging this kid. Seriously, guys, it's really
It's
damaging this
huge.
kid. Because, like, like, as old as I am,
Yes.
like, I know I have experience of people who smoke drugs.
Mm-hmm.
And I know where it started. You understand? I know
small things,
the
the
small
small
things
things,
like can trigger you ukuthi uzofika endaweni ongafuna ukufika kuyo. You understand? I mean, I've got uncles, I've got brothers ebabhemayo, and I know ukuthi iqale kanjani lento leyo. So I want to keep these kids ezintweni eziphumile kulezi zinto. Khona abantwana ebakhona la egroupini like abazali babe babhemayo. You understand? They come, sit down, bakhulume magriza kuso bese I advise the kids, no yenza so. You understand? So uwakhiphe estradini ukuthi like babe na something ezobakhuthaza nabo kusasa ukuthi no, besides ukuthi some emakhoneni siyobhema asiyene ekhaya siyozama ukuhlanganisa ingoma ukuthi okay sicula ini sihlanganisa ini rather than going to the park niyohlala lapha niyenze group and smoke happy bubbly because that thing iyabamosha and it kills them. It kills labantwana. Ibulala nengqondo. Labantwana they're still young. Amaphaphu abafana nowenyoni. So imagine the smoke happy bubbly mayifika ngaphakathi ukuthi bayenza ini. So if babhema ngikhana ngibatshela ukuthi you won't sing ubhema.
It can't happen.
Yes, manje uzobhema uphule manje ne. But you should know with everything you do, like it doesn't catch up with you now.
Yeah.
But it catches up with you
at a later
future,
stage,
or
yes.
at a later stage, which when after 2 years you keep voice ayisaphumi. Emotion you have kanti bone talent.
But wait. I want to understand also again. I want to understand a lot of things because this is fascinating for me. Like what you've built here, Layaka, is just so amazing. Because like I've seen a lot of groups, right? But they don't have the uniqueness that you guys have. Because sometimes they just sing and it's like, oh, guy, this guy has a good voice. This guy is a star or whatever. He can compose a song, yes. But now I'm looking at these kids and like some of them, I'm sure, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7.
We had a member who was 4 years old by
Imagine.
I think you know.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we had Cocomelon who's 4 years old. Like as kids.
So what's the approach like? Ukuthi umuntu azela like nimlanda endlini ngiyamcela umzali uyamlanda.
I think it's God's blessing. Yazi khona la bengihlala khona ngithi I want to leave this Guicho thing the time ngibuza labo bokuqala. I cried. Ngalimala. You understand? Ngathi anyayeka. Baba wami wathi no. Anyeke iGuicho kuyenzeka so. You rather leave it. But after days, I fought like Salo. No, I still want to do this.
Yes.
I still want this. Because but the way Guicho ngakhona futhi especially like K1, yo, it's so cruel. It's very cruel. Labantwana bayahethana lapho. Bayahethana. And these kids, like anyangize ngithi ekhaya inetalent. I mean abantwana bami they can sing, ne? Even though we're not perfect. But I know ukuthi they can sing. Ne? And angithatha umntwana mina ngokumthatha ukuthi I take you because ngiyakuva ukuthi ukwazi ukucula. And sukuthi ngiyahamba ngiyokulanda ngithi woza uzokucula. They come here bona, bayazizela bona. Bayibone baze basethe ne-address bathi hayi siyifikele. Mina ngibona ngomntwana sekakokota koko kusekhaya la ngithi yes kusekhaya. Ayizocela ukujoin. That's how we got most of our members.
So how do you manage? How you're 15, right? And I'm sure
Yeah.
there are people who are the same age as you. How do you?
When I
Yeah, like you now come on, you're being managed by the same person, the same age as you, and you're still young. What's happening?
Hayi ukuthi angithanda ukucula ne.
Yeah.
I sing at church.
Yeah.
So la ngizela ngicula. La ngizela ukuthi ngizolungisa nami. Ukuthi ngicomforte ama-founder wami. When we do this ngibe nabo. Because they needed a person ofana nami. And I knew ukuthi at the end God was going to put me here. Because I once told them ukuthi what you have guys is a calling. Akusunoma ubani onalento eninayo. Because akekho umuntu perfect. Akekho. And you know what I can tell you ukuthi all the kids okay bakhe baba nabo, they went through inkinga. So inkinga zasendlini obviously zikhona inkinga ziyayenzakala. So elinye ilanga ngamtshela athi uyayeka, ngathi no, this thing is a calling. The reason abantwana beza after beza because kuzongena laba kuphume laba. When they come back kuzabasha, they have the same problem ukuthi ekhaya akukho right. So ngitshela ukuthi you know i-calling asihlale ukuthi nje sibamukele noma kungaba kanjani. So mina kahle kahle here ekhaya I do not sing but ngisemaphepheni. I work in the papers, documentation, secretary, no. Yeah, every documentation asekhaya you'll get me. Yes, uzoyithola kimi. Every documentation, everything uzoyithola kimi
So,
asekhaya.
since you span on your paper, like how does Ekhaya make the money to manage the kids? Because like, man keep umntwana omncane endlini, angeke abuyele endlini angadlanga for example.
And you know what? There are some of the people bacanga ukuthi maybe TikTok yaholisa. Awuholi ku TikTok unless wenza ama live.
Yeah.
So ekhaya ukuthi ize even nama finances. We and the founders sacrifice something ukuthi imali ibe khona. From our pockets, phuma imali from our pockets ukuthi yazi le mali asiyenze so. Hayi ukuthi maybe kuza umuntu, but people who come
Sponsors.
wish ukuthi sponsors sibone like umsebenzi walabantwana sizokhona ukubakhuthaza nabo bakhuthale babone ukuthi what are we doing,
It's going forward. It's
ngiyacabanga
moving
laba
forward.
bokuqala kuze bangale nabo we had a problem, we had an issue kuze kaliwa, they even wanted to make petitions for us, petition for the TikTok page and everything. Abazali babatshela ukuthi ekhaya yenza imali ngani, ekhaya has reached 1 million likes, so you guys are getting paid. Azange babatshela information right, abantwana baphuma bahamba
That stage ukuthi when they get too comfortable, baba ungrateful.
Yeah.
That's what I can say, because as you know, like the way ngithanda ngakhona le group ne, I even get broke. I don't wanna lie, I even get broke because I go all out to a point ukuthi ngize ngishiye la endlini kunyana next.
How do you like Mara keep them to like, cause abantwana like ngathi they want to show up all the time. Yabo, like mina niyenza kanjani ukuthi like bahlale like bathande ukuqhubeka ukwenza umsebenzi wabo even without the reward.
Mina ngisho ukuthi impatho ukubaphatha kwethu. You understand? By letting them doing what they love.
Okay.
You understand? And we do sit down nabantwana, we do give them advice. Ukhona ubaba like unokuhlala nabafana, khulume nabafana like boys talk ukuthi okay manje mase ningani stage siso nikhona nyintombazana bakhona amantombazana. I do sit down nabo ngibatshela ukuthi elifini when you're a girl, like we do face things ezikanjena kanje, but when you go the other way kukhona ama challenges ozobhekana nawo, because we have to tell them ukuthi bazi ukuthi phambili kunjani. Don't do izinto wazi ungazi ukuthi like mangizoyenza lento phambili izongiyenzela ini, ungayenza ama mistake azokukhawatha kusasa. You understand? Yeah.
So like, but also I was also saying in the sense of the uniqueness, ne? There are females in the group, and that's how I was saying not a lot of groups also have females in the group.
We're the first group.
Yeah.
We inspired a lot of Guicho groups because we're the first ekhaya having girls like a group ukuthi bazocula iGuicho. Mostly Guicho bazi ukuthi iGuicho labafana. Understand? Even nabazali namanje sisazama like ngokuyenza ekhaya ukuthi be unique, ukuthi abantwana bami bahloniphe, like sizama ukutshengisa abazali because abazali basasenalento leyo ukuthi iGuicho lasejele. iGuicho labantwana ababhemayo. You understand? So we trying ukubonisa abazali ukuthi hayi mase khona namantombazana mhlambe bazobona ukuthi no, this thing yakwazi ukuthi man for mina igwitsho labakhanfasa labantwana I don't wanna lie it does comfort them like ikususa like kule ngcondo zengayo like noma songenile noma sekumele bahambe ubona ngomntwana sekasamkhile ukuthi noma ubheka right manje mase school but sekumele ahambe manje ngathi sekunzima like umntwana akafuna ukuhamba ngize ngimthathe ngikhale phansi nanye ngibuthi what's the problem they say ngiyashaya magiriza I'm facing this and this and this and this yabona if I wasn't strong I would say ukuthi even now ngabe ngine depression because I even wake up at 1 o'clock in the morning like ngivuswa imember yomntwana ukuthi magiriza like nangu baba uyasigijimisa I have to wake up ngibavulele you understand bazolala I have ukuthi ngifonela amaphoyisa ngime estradini 1 o'clock ngimela amaphoyisa you understand like there's a lot labantwana that they going through I sacrifice everything for these kids so that's why ngiyafisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu one day can open doors like abantu bayibone lento esiyenzayo we make amagwijo igwijo concert masiyenza siyenze ekhaya we making to show ama-talents like ama-talent wonke ama-group akhona and to unite them again bazwane because abazwani babodwa labantwana bamagwijo angazi or bazondelana ukucula kwabo because they all sing abona for mina ayikho igroup engathi
the best
ayiculi kamna every gwijo group they are the best igwijo ayifuna umuntu ocula kamnandi ifuna umuntu oyiminayo makayicula noma ungaba nebase yocula igwijo mazoyicula ngemeaning like naloyo muntu okumamela uzoyizwa akamamelanga ukuthi wena ucula kamnandi kanjani but umamele the message oyikhiphayo
That's a lot. She's preaching.
Coming to that thing of events, awards and everything. Where did the idea come about? Like, let's host award for Kwicho people. Because it's like a genre that's underlooked through music. Yeah. It's not part of Amasasma and all that. Yeah. But everyone in the same, you can tell, they listen to Kwicho, they love Kwicho. Yeah, it heals them.
What inspired us ukuthi sibe nama South African Kwicho Awards as asho ukuthi on our first concert director stage director he came up with a plan ukuthi while abantwana singaba award yabo senze something for award then we came with a plan with diamond I welcome awards with Kwicho so why don't you say South African Kwicho Awards that's how it started. Then we sat down. Maybe it took us 6 months. We plan a little. Even now we're on a plan. What this year? Awards. And awards why nze ukuthi wonke umntwana oyiculayo igwitsho akhuthale naye ukuthi at least nami ngiyakwazi ukuthi bayanginothanga like yabonakala you understand I'm recognized because angeke sipost uyi-1 mawungene best female post ama-best female maybe 10 to 15 or 20 maybe amalona besinawo last year why 200 and something
221.
Everyone is allowed. Fine.
Anyone is allowed as long as you can stay.
Competition.
It's not a competition. It goes by votes. Nje ukuthi bayavotela bakubona ukucula kanjani but everyone is the best kugwitsho.
Just award that decide if you're my fan page wabantu.
Yes. Yeah. But if besikhona like financially and everything wonke umntwana
bekazothola award
True, because everyone deserves it. Like
every Kwicho singer deserves an award.
Yeah.
And this is a South African thing like fana nokuthi it's our culture like we do.
Manje anisiniki ingoma ye-World Cup.
And ikhona ingoma ye-World Cup besiyenzile net asikayikhiphi but beyikhona yona besiyenzile I think besiyenzile angisakhumbuli besiyenzele ini but nayo bekuyingoma ye-World Cup but azange sayikhipha because I don't know ngathi yandlula ilona yakhona then sayiyeka but yona ikhona.
So wait, how do you go about like making a song? Is there like a specific songwriter or do all of the people just come together and like, okay, I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna say this is how we're gonna compose this? Or is there a single person on the paper in the background who's writing these things and then gives it out and say, okay guys, let's sing this?
Currently ngasho ukuthi asikakabi nayo umuntu osibhalelayo ingoma compose a song and everything no but khona lebe bayishaya amantombazana la ngaphandle ngimtholile maningena bokuyibe bahlezi phansi then they created the song then they came back magiriza sinengoma ithini ingoma because you know igwitsho silicula sonke kuyinto eyi-1 bazocula mama ngimtholile nomunye ayicula mama ngimtholile like ngisho ukuthi sonke sinama-talent ngendlela e-different you understand so laba bayi-2 bona bayakwazi ukuyenza ingoma babuye nayo ingoma magiriza siyenzile nabanye nabo and they know bonke ngihlala ngibanikeza i-task ukuthi guys let's compose as ekhaya asingalandeli kakhulu ukuthi sizocula igwitsho liyi-1 so asicompose let's have new songs angisho lento siyayenza because siyayithanda So let's show people ukuthi ithanda kanjani. Let's send a message out. Ukuthi abantu bayive leyo message ukuthi hayi ekhaya ikhona. Ukuthi naye noma imamele afile ukuthi hayi nami ngisekhaya.
You know, this guy is so well spoken. Like I can't believe he's 15.
Like he's a church guy.
Yeah, he's very yeah.
He does.
And how do you go about that? Because at a young age, I feel like you still have a lot of growing to do.
Boy,
At 15, and you're preaching this,
I
and you.
wasn't thinking of church.
I was 15, bro.
The reason I'm into faith kakhulu is because of I see intando kaNkulunkulu and I see God's work. Ukuze ukuthi ekhaya ibe khona ayibanga khona ukuthi uvuke namhlanje athi ngifuna ukuthi ibe khona. It was made by the Lord. So mina Sundays church every Sunday. So the reason being is because of my grandfather is an archbishop. So I have to be there nje. It's not because of ngiyela ukuthi umkhulu wami usesontweni ngiyela ukuthi nami ngifuna ukuthola uNkulunkulu. Yes.
So I would love to ask you both a question now. Both of you. I don't know who's gonna answer. Both of you are gonna answer. Like, you've started it in the process.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to end up? Where do you see yourself in the end?
What's the goal? What's the final goal for the group? What's that one thing in it? We want to achieve this thing.
Ne, the key one ne ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ibe khona ne. I want all the guijos. Angazi ngayibeka kanjani yazi. It's because of manje mangibuza zizaziningi emqondweni wami.
I want that first one, the
It's kind
priority.
of like difficult considering the competition, a rival, especially around like Kasleni. When it comes to Iguijo, just here, not even any other classes, this who.
No, I wanted ukuthi Iguijo ibe recognized the way amapiano, soul, R&B and kwaito is recognized. So kube makuba nama sometimes bafaka Iguijo kube nama metro bayifaka Iguijo ukuthi nayo ibonakala ukuthi it's part of the South African origins. It was originally developed in South Africa. So ke yona ntho e ke batlang re etsale hore ibe recognized ifane namanye ukuthi okay nayi khona ukuyibhekelela khona ukuyimamela ku Spotify ku this and this.
So we can proudly say for each and every Iguijo group, Limezansi, the only goal they have is to get more recognition.
Nice.
Yes, ukuthi nabo babonakala ukuthi they are part of South Africans.
That's what we're not fighting for as Ekai.
Yeah.
We're fighting for that for as Ekai. I see really
Pale,
Ekai.
for all the
Guijos.
Because I feel like each and every Iguijo singer has the same goal. They just want to be there. Like Babe appreciated as much as Youngstana is there in the industry.
Now it's gonna be division. When you're doing it separately now, it's not gonna work.
The artist is separate.
But I feel like competition is good.
Like you understand,
It's me ifana ne ibhumshaka kunebhumshaka kunabo Lane Jones kunamo Teddy Pendergrass. That's why ngisho ukuthi
Bro, what is this guy talking about? Teddy Pendergrass? How old is this guy? Tell me the truth. Tell me this guy.
So mina I would say sometimes asingaspeed ukuthi sifike empumelelweni. For us ukuthi sifike la siya khona, we have to pass through ama obstacles. You can't just wake up today and say ufuna ukufika le. You won't, because you have to take things step by step. You manifesting while you taking things step by step. If you want to wake up today, you will never see that. You will never. You have to pass something that is solid, that you have to break it into half for you to pass this obstacle. So you can't just they say ukuthi vele speed kills. You can't just you starting to sing so if I go 120 you see.
So it's a beautiful session, and shout out to what? Amlonde.
Yes, Amlonde.
Yeah, explain to me what's going on here.
Oh yes, Amlonde. Amlonde is the first sponsor we've got. Oh, Amlonde is the second sponsor.
American.
Because the first sponsor we've got, like that's a huge sponsor. besikala ukuthola that thing as ekhaya like sina 3 years
All the way from
besikala ukuthola like a person athi as a group ngizonithengela iyikhipha bona labantwana bazithengela amabhuku kuphela but khona urigel
from
wafika
Cyprus.
umlungu I think ninambona kuma
Yes.
from Cyprus
lo mlungu
yeah
lo mlungu lo bencula naye
yes that one
what does it do
Uyacula.
uyacula then usebenza ngale Cyprus but uzobuya ngapha futhi because ngathi uspend
November.
ngapha nangale ngapha so unemsebenzi ngapha nangapha so I don't know ukuthi wenza ini
Yo, you know what I saw there? I saw the welcoming that you guys are talking about. Like, I think it was the first Guicho group welcoming. They say, "Come, uzocula. We see your clip, your clips
Yeah,
on
yeah,
TikTok."
yeah, true,
yeah.
You know, we see.
That's why we
Yeah.
ekhaya we understand anyone is welcome la
Welcome.
ekhaya ukuthi like mangifuna ukuyocula mangibone ekhaya and uzothola isiqoshi group sinocula la ngaphandle ifika i-collab ifika ihlale la ngaphandle isayi sicela ukujoyina sisayi there's no problem ningajoin
Yeah, I like ngihlezi ngibona like even with other Guicho people who are just individuals, like they have good relationship nekhaya.
yeah because we want to do that vele
Ukuthi wonke umuntu abe right.
umuntu abe sharp you understand kungabe ekhaya kuphela iba sharp mayiphumelela le Guicho kumele wonke umuntu aphumelele kungaphumeleli ekhaya kuphela so wonke umuntu kumele aphumelele makuphumelela iGuicho bayibone nayo ukuthi hayi okay sekhona enjengenile okay khona ama-house khona ama-R&B khona ama-in neGuicho nayo kumele ibe ne-space sayo ibe nendawo yayo and iGuicho like labantwana i-inspiration yabo like iGuicho avenue the
true.
like inspiration yabo bayayithanda
naleya Free State. Yeah, Guicho the Legacy something.
Guicho the Legacy bayayithanda one of my member kabe sithanda kusho ukuthi why bangangibizi kayi-one like ngikhuphuka yabona things that motivates labantwana like siyafisa ukuthi zenzeke nathi you understand akusuke ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi labantwana baphelele la I want to see them going far in the future I want to see them ngale nto bayenzayo bayithandayo ibamikisa phambili kungabi into ukuthi baphelela la
But I
bacula
feel
la
like Nani, you can reach the same level. It's only a matter of time and the money you get, the sponsors, like the support.
yeah.
Also persistence, like keep working at it. Don't have like a limited time of goal, like 6 months. Because what if it doesn't happen in 6 months? What's gonna happen? Are you giving up? No, you can't do that. So you have to have like
another thing
persistence.
I like about this group is the young kids. You have the young kids.
Yeah.
I think you are the ones who have the most young kids.
Young kids,
like, out of all the group.
Inspire amanye amaGuicho because sekhona amanye nabo Cocomelon.
Yeah.
You understand? And the first Cocomelon we had umntana uculayo was Cocomelon.
So where's Cocomelon?
Cocomelon usendlini man.
Why angasaveli?
Ama-issues. There are a lot of issues, you know, as taking you back, as the group yokuqala, they thought it's like besesenza imali. You understand? And we haven't got anything yet. Everything we do it from our pocket. Everything we do, even ama-events esiwayenzayo, amasaga siwayenze from our own pockets. Sisipleteka, sithenga ama-awards, like they costed us. It's not good like they were
just a walk in the park.
No, they costed us because besifuna ukuthi nawe noma uyiphethe like ufile ukuthi le nto engiyiwinile like ine-value you understand like angiwinanga iphepha nje kuphela but ngine a cup like engilibonayo ukuthi noma ngilibekile it's a real one ne-venue nayo i-expense yakhona it's from our pocket but labantwana zange bayibone ngaleyo ndlela leyo they saw it as thina we making business ngabo you understand not understanding ukuthi kule 3 years yonke siyihlalile like ishop ibukuyowa ibukuyovuka ngayo ekhaya you understand bafike baqeda isitoko kumele ukuthi ngibe nemali kuqala ngithenge isitoko sibuyele futhi eshop but bona they didn't see it that way bebayibona ngathi hayi uMagriz wenza imali ngathi udlala ngathi udlala imali and which was not true. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Man, shout out to London, man. So putting in the work.
Close it off. Like, what's that one message you want to get to the world? Just that.
Okay, kumaGuicho wonke ne. Wonke amaGuicho angibaliphi, angibala kuphi, angibala seKatlehong kuphela like all over the world, all over South Africa. Ngiyacela niphathane kahle because ama-talent now they different and they unique. Even though nenza into eyi-one but you do it in a different way akusuke ukuthi khona ozokuhlula or khona ongeke azakuhlule you all the best guys so ningabi namakwali thandanani one love let Guicho be one love esihlale sisho islogan sakhona ukuthi Guicho one love so let's prove that ukuthi Guicho vele lunothando you understand asingakwalelana angazi bayibiza ngani ngamakwalo or uthola abanye sebayacula there's booing boo you understand nobody's perfect mfethu and we all do this for the love of it. So, my message is bantwana ngicela nithandaneni, that's it.
Mm,
Respect one
love.
another, thandanani, promote one another, like kungabi nomona, like everyone i-chance yakhe yes.
Yes, definitely, most definitely. Oh yeah, so we're gonna take a little break. We're gonna come back with the oldest and the youngest. And we wanna, cause we got the exterior.
It's a group.
Yeah, we must enter inside now. We want to hear what are these, because you might say, "Ah, sibaphatha kahle, mina uMaChris ngibaphatha kahle, kanti lo udala kanjalo lo."
true.
So you want to hear that side of the
Yeah,
story. But
true.
honestly, thank you. But we're now not 15, we're now. Namanga.
He's 15.
Namanga lo.
I'm
Namanga.
15.
Waka waka.
Mina was worried ngayo ukuthi age, you know, Keleto, like the age akuyo, like mncane, and ngibona ngathi samdilezela, you understand. But he also say, Amakiriza, relax, I've got this.
Khululeka. And he's got this.
Ngitshela ukuthi
Yeah.
no, ngizozenza ezinye izinto ekumele kube umsebenzi wakho, mina ngizokuthi no, relax, I've got this. Ngiyamthemba uKeleto, because uthe makangitshela ukuthi Makiriza ngiphathe kahle. Like now I was shocked because I was worried after the
Always
event.
up and
esibuya
down.
kuyo,
Yeah, he's
because-
always, yeah.
Yeah, I understand ukuthi naye kumele ayenze sure ukuthi everything is on date, updated. So like ngiyazibuza ukuthi into engambuza ukuthi into zesikole uzenza nini? If we should then ask Makiriza, relax. Isikolo sizaqala, ngidayise boy, because you know that with school first before quiz.
I love that. I love that. And keep working hard, man. If you really do believe in God and you keep praying on it and you keep striving, great things await you. So thank you so much.
Yeah, eighth grade.
Sanibonani bafethu, igama lami nguThumunisi ngiculela ekhaya. So yeah, ekhaya sayiqala from phansi until today. Yeah.
So how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
You are the oldest.
Yeah, he's older than the founder. He's older than the founder. You understand? There's something going on here.
All right. And why are you singing for Ekaya?
Like ekhaya like ekhaya una the opportunity to pass.
Yeah.
Than group tse ding. Ho ya wa ka like the way ke bonang ka teng.
Oh. That's beautiful. You can come to.
Alulami igama lami nguKhwezi. Ngize la ekhaya because ngiyakhona ukucula nje ngiyazithemba.
How old are you, Queen?
13.
13. Beautiful.
Sanibonani igama lami nguChima. Ngize la ekhaya Bridge because ngifuna ukucula njengabanye amakhala ama-Bridge. Na-14 years old.
Okay, to the youngest ones, like yini iphupho lenu bafethu?
Ukuthi sipinde ekhaya.
Like iphupho lakho wena ezweni uyi-1. Not elekhaya, elakho.
Personally, wena ufuna ukuba yini?
Ukuba yiselebhiti.
Let him know. Young me, I want to be this guy when I grow up.
Please, wena ufuna ukuba yini?
Hello.
You see, these are normal answers. I win. I need to stay on the celebrity. So, like, wait, I want to know. When Chaka is like the oldest, like you're the oldest out of everyone. So, Bawona is Abuto Moholo. Do they go to you for advice or Awira something? Bafuta we nara. Ningina Abu Tigit. You told me that, didn't you?
Yeah, sometimes obvious like. Litting like bona like anke obvious mo kuichong like baba acha like navele since from khale kuicho ke rata, so the advice sometimes bading kawe.
So when I since hopela since ni ngomove.
Yo, since like 2023. Yeah.
Since open. Since that was like 13. Then not to me yeah.
And then you've been here more Ekaya.
Like ekhaya ke first group ke tswang Wibinela like ke bonang real thing
What do you want to achieve njaga mo life now?
I batlo ba artist.
Are you also part of the lead singers?
Sometimes.
So like the ring bara una leader. Ne? Mar nagir men to men arbule. Kimang leader ko Skala, get serious. We're not to put as a leader now.
I keep on like this one.
Tang confidence when we leader. Yeah.
Nam sure.
Like no, Bafanas, Kinagol bota something. On Thaluat or on Thaluat, Ulala speed. Sizul, Wenumzul, Wenuing, Umzul. I ever found out I was a slooper. No, it's a cool little slooper in our Zul. I honestly already is getting confident, but I like asking for Star and Machita. Still, I mean, advice from me, Hotman. Yeah, young. Take time. I'm sure I'm open. I'm sure I'm open. My advice is take your time. Even though maybe in 2 years time ukabona kare wabaphalanyana kamugane mara like take your time butisa ejo ke so how can I improve ejo I wanna kinyo so how do I improve in doing this, and the more you can do that and I'm gonna tell you osalomunyane point mara I like the fact we're grouping and so it's so young, you have so much room to grow. So nakitlile cause bambudizo rena le bafana ba dope ba ntse mbutata entwana lezi zina masiva, so mina ngizile kuzibonela la and my mengena la angifilile bafethu, so ngizwile unuzenza nikama goosebumps ngizwile bafethu. You understand? So keep pushing bafethu. asiscared uma uleli umagrisa ndoda userious ngale ndaba escared amadoda.
Bathi school first la ekhaya bafethu. Mina ngine last question for nina bafethu. Besides ekhaya, who do you guys look up to? No, like ubani umuntu enibukela kuye wena mawucula ubukela kubani ukuthi nami ngifuna ukufana nalo muntu. No, I'm saying besides la ekhaya. Obviously everyone is going to call it teammate here.
I mean,
besides here ekhaya mawuscrolla kuma social media wena uzithandela bani?
mina ngithanda uJohn.
Ubani?
John.
uJohn.
Jomo.
Oh, uJohn.
Picture of
Okay, okay. Wena?
Mina umsawa.
Wena?
Zikebles. Sana mashita kre.
Yeah.
And like if nina I'm a role model way now and you keep doing what they're doing, ni 3 kanje. Khohlwana bafethu. Le vision le nayo le ukuthi zoyenza lento nifuna ukuyenza. Nizoyenza within no time.
And in support bafethu, you understand uma Chris sacrifice izinto eziningi ukuthi nina nizokwazi ukuba la. Nizokwazi kuba smart kanje. Uyabona nigqoke fresh kanjani? Niyazi ukuthi izibuyaphi lekhiphi.
Abavele bagcoka. Let's Siyami size yami le zagcoka. Abathi damele nibonge bafethu and keep working.
Grateful bafethu. Ungahluphi umagogo le.
Asihluphi thina.
Basifana.
Le yahlupha tangale. And ayazi isebenzisa le ndaba ukuthi umdala. And I'm sure uhlupha ne-founder ngoba umdala nakuye.
Abangeza namanje babuye.
No, but I love that for you, ne?
Yeah. So what do you guys want to say to the people who make it a Sivan?
Mina engizoyisho ukuthi ekhaya izokhula and one love ekhaya.
One love ekhaya.
Ngiyabonga.
Ekhaya the best video ever.
He means that. He's young. He loves Yekai, and he means that.
La nje ngizofuna ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngifikile la ekhaya video ngizocula.
You are grateful.
That's beautiful. Siyabonga bafethu ne.
Yeah.
Asibonini laba abangabosisi benu are with the ladies of Ekaya Kwicho Healers. Ladies, how are you? That's nice. How does it feel to be like, are you guys the only girls in this group?
No.
There's more.
Yes.
Oh,
How many are you?
4 girls.
Yeah, 4.
No, really? 4. And I wanna know. How does it feel singing Namachitanga? Like, do you feel nervous? Maybe ngathi take center stage, cooler, or are you comfortable and say, "Ah, ngizowahluda abafana banamabass." Yeah.
Sazi ikutsho elabafana mara thina amantombazane ngathi angithi ngathi sinama-voices
Yeah.
so nathi siyafuna ukucula so nabo banankena nabo.
Is it just about Ikwicho Gini or it's about music as a whole?
Music. Yeah. Music.
Even here
It's
at
about
Ekaya,
music.
it's about music.
Yeah.
So what do you guys like wanna be genuinely? Besides, let's say if you were not a singer, what would you be?
Like right now,
Yeah, empilweni bozoba yini if wena bongaculi?
I'd probably be a netball player.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Kia, be honest. Alright.
Mina ngizoba honest ke mina ngiyaqhina mina.
Abona umuntu bengathi I'm gonna be honest amanga. Wa uqala ngale honest.
Iqiniso cause vele before vele like ngizocula vele ne bengiqhina abantu vele
Yeah.
ngaye ukuqhina ke ngafocus ku
Yeah.
yeah like ngiba honest angiqala
Okay. I love that.
and bengenza imali ke nakhona ke futhi
Ma unamali.
yo manje so manje broke
Ngoba
I'm broke.
no language. How old are you? Wait, how old are you guys?
I'm 17.
You're 17. Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 16.
Wait, when we said the oldest, Kanti, there are girls that are actually.
Hi, oldest girl.
Angithi angibuka yabona mina le ngina 17 mara abantu like abakhulu bathi ngina 14 or 15 yabona ngibonakala ushuthi yabona nje asigugi kuphela
So like,
asenze izinto ezibhecekile.
okay, what are your goals, guys? Like, what are your goals? Ngale nto eniyenzayo, showing up every day, nihlala ethokoza,
Yeah.
far away from ekhaya. Every day mawuzala, like, what's that thing ozitshelayo engqondweni? Ufuna ukwenzani mawuzofika la?
Me like lana, to be honest, ngizela because ikwicho iyangihila and then lana I feel like mangla ngikhona ukuthi ngescape izinto ezenzakala ekhaya stuff yeah stress mangla like I feel free and comfortable, that's why.
With your homegirls. With your homegirls.
Kia?
The same thing he said.
No, you can't copy paste, Kia. This you can't copy paste.
Mina nginumuntu like ocabanga kakhulu yabo.
Yeah.
Cishe ngisho something yabo because iyangimbaza ngifuni ukuveza phambi kwamakhamera. Ikuthi mina iyangihila too much and mina kunezinto ezenzakala around mina and ngicabanga kakhulu ngazo. And sengizempela ngiphuza namaphilisi but angisabi ngiphuza namaphilisi.
Or like antidepressants and stuff.
Cha. Yeah, angifuni ukisho mara khona ngiphuza izinto zama.
No, but like also.
And then ngike ngaphumela into zekhaya ngithi yabo cause ithi ngithi like bekune reason yami ngine reason why ngiphumela into zekhaya yabo ngabuye and ukubuya kwami like bekungikhipha kulezi zinto lezi like ezenzakalayo because angifuni ukuthi yabona nami ngidistracteke kakhulu because bengingasakwazi even ukufocus into zesikoleni because of yabona ngeke leyo nto into engiyithandayo into engikhipha entweni yabo like into engenza ukuthi like ngicabange kakhulu like igutsho mina like bengikhipha lapho and iyangihila man.
Are you guys doing good at school though? Like, be honest though. I like honest people as like 60s, 70s, 80s. So what's happening? Yeah, feel wala makriza. What?
Last time ngiphase kahle njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngike ngaphumela into zekhaya.
Yeah.
Qale January vele.
Yeah.
Yebo and then
Someone ngifeyile.
Yeah, because
Someone ngifeyile.
Yeah.
Akuthi mina kumina like ukuqala igrade.
Yeah.
Focus and
Yeah.
ngangena kwigwitsho ke. Yabo. So ngagcina mina ngingasacabanga kakhulu yabona nami lento lesenge enjoy and mina ke yimina ugelo o hyper. Like
I can see. Team leader, dang. Aye. Look, wait. I want to know now. How long have you been like
I think like 3 months.
3 months? So you're like relatively new member, you know. And you, Kia?
maybe 8.
8 months.
Yeah, 8 or 9.
Nah, no cocoa.
Yeah.
I'm joking. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 years and then
2 years.
this year vele sezoshayela uduze 3 years.
Also, you're like sort of like also a founder, you know. So.
Yebo.
So you guys are singers, right? Like who are your role models?
Mami.
Mama.
Mami.
Oh,
Mami.
Nginemashe bangile just
I like you 'cause you're honest.
kwigwitsho mina
No, in the world of music, as an artist, not like as a Gwicho artist, like as an artist.
weshe ngisithandela unaledi appearance.
Okay. Yeah.
Mina anginayo mara ngithanda u-Adele. Yeah.
You see, I was gonna say Asha, Mara, it's fine. Everyone has a choice. Everyone has life decisions to make.
Mina ngithanda unaledi appearance.
Yeah,
Ngiyena nje
chinging on the.
nomunye nje futhi bathi umaho
So yeah, before we close it off, guys, what's that one last thing you wanna tell to the people? Nje abantu ababukele yini lento engingabatshela yona lento ukubatshela yona nje amagcini.
Mina ngizothi kubo like guys you must focus kule into A1 siyekele ukuthi sijike.
Like igwitsho iyaphilisa like serious iyaphilisa. Ngathi siyahila serious.
Okay. Mshore.
What's Bani? Aksika Malake lelo. Aksika Malako then. What's your real name?
Nosipho.
Yeah.
Okay. Nosipo. Message to the world.
Mina ngithi mabaqhubekeni becula igwitsho.
Now yeah, copy homework man.
No chabo bezosho kanjalo wonke umuntu vele usho kanjalo ngithi
Okay.
ngigwitsho. Mabaqhubeke becula igwitsho.
Mina ngifuna ukutshela abantu ukuthi bayenze into ebajabulisayo, benze into ebayithandayo.
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Infinity, what is your advice to the world?
To the world. I mean, I'm not advised, qhubekani isipane, whatever that you do, keep on doing it.
Do it 100%.
Ungayicabangi, vele wenze, yabo. There's no other way of learning, you just have to do, yabo. Yeah. So yeah, let's close it off.
Oh, it's been a fun watch. It's been a fun talk. I love that the ladies gave us a lot of energy. I love that I met the young boys. I love that the founders gave us a backstory of whatever happened in the past and their dreams and goals and ambitions and all that. And I love everyone. I think everyone in this team, what I've learned today, I think everyone has the same mindset. Because like, if you really focus and listen in, the answers are sort of like heading towards the same direction, you know. So I like that they have one vision, one goal in mind, and they are stuck together, man. Because what are we without family? Nothing. We're just one person living, and nothing's gonna happen. So with that said, I enjoyed my time, and I hope you guys enjoyed having me also. Because yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Can you guys close it off with something for us?
Zakalileni,